Good day, all of you beautiful souls. This is going to be a very quick and a very powerful, life-changing message. You know, I talk about writing real goals, and I heard a message from Bob Proctor, who unfortunately passed away lately. And, you know, one message and one paradigm that he really preached with so much wisdom was writing real goals. And what did he mean by real goal? Because that can sound arrogant to some people unless if you explain what a real goal is, right? And what he meant by real goal was writing a goal that asks you to become a completely new version of yourself, where you look back at your old self and you're like, wow, right? The comfort zone is completely shattered because you're a completely new person from the inside, right? And when you write these real goals, right, you imagine, you go into the future with your imagination, and you visualize a new person you want to become, and then you write it down on paper, you give it a deadline, you do the research, and you fill in the gaps. Done, right? You visualize the goal that's going to ask you to become a completely new person. You write it down, you do the research, take the action. Done. Now obviously it's got to be a heartfelt goal from your heart, or else you're just going to quit or not even make it halfway. And everything in the universe starts with you first, which is why you're focusing on a goal that's asking you to become a completely new person, and then the relationships, the health, all of the others are just the effect. The cause is you, the effect is everything else in your reality. And then this is why, you know, you don't ever claim, you know, when you start claiming, oh, I am the best at something. The word best is very egotistic, right? The word best, you've already started to lose, because when you start to tell yourself or believe that you are the best at something, you've already accepted that you don't need to grow anymore. You don't need to improve, that you're just the best. And there's a lot of suffering. There's a lot of inner suffering. You never have inner peace. A lot of insecurity. Now, when you truly discover yourself from the inside, and you're very accepting and appreciate and approve of yourself from the inside, then through this self-love, you want to write real goals. You want to keep growing and improving the person that you love. You want to write, you create work that helps all of humanity and life become a more peaceful and evolved place through the vibration of love, your heart. Because you truly love and appreciate yourself first, you're then able, as I said, everything starts with you first, you're then able to give out authentic love. And then guess what the universe gives back to you? Prosperity and abundance. And when you discover yourself on the inside, who you really are, right, this allows you to not only write real goals, but it allows you to accept self-growth. It allows you to not desire, but want to improve, want to grow as an individual, as a soul, as a 400 trillion to 1 unique miracle that you all are. Don't ever forget that. And when this happens, as I said, there is no best, right? You're just wanting to always grow and improve who you are. You accept that you are a unique 400 trillion to 1 miracle, and that everybody else is their own, you know, they have their own uniqueness in themselves. Now we're all doing our part, right? It's one giant ripple effect. Every action that you take ripples out into all of the universe and comes back to you. Have a beautiful day.